supported by Ministry of Housing and Ministry of Urban Development. I'll request all of you to take your seats. The President has started and he should be here in 5 minutes. And another gentle reminder that all of you should switch off your mobile phones so we can have a lovely ceremony in the next 1 hour. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, I'm going to request all of you to take your seats. To all of you who've joined us in the last 5 minutes, again, a very warm welcome to the 11th National Convention on Housing for Masses, organized by NAREDCO, supported by the Ministry of Housing and Ministry of Urban Development. For all of you I haven't met before, my name is Manisha Natarajan. I have been closely associated with the real estate sector as the editor in charge of the Realty and Infrastructure program on NDTV. It's my pleasure to host the opening session of this conference, which will focus on a subject very close to my heart: housing for the masses. I would like all of us to dream even bigger, a house for every family in the country. But achieving this goal is no small task, and the increasing gap for affordable housing is actually beginning to worry everybody. The agenda for the next 2 days is not to sound the alarm bells, even as my kith and kin present here would love to grab some scary headlines. Instead, the agenda is to thrash out new ideas on how we can make homes for millions possible, and compel policymakers and developers to come together to back hope with resources and money. In the next 5 minutes, we will be joined by the Honorable President of India, Shri Pranab Mukherjee, and Mr. Ajay Maken, the new Minister for Housing and Urban Poverty Alleviation. Ladies and gentlemen, Honorable President of India, Shri Pranab Mukherjee, is with us. A very warm welcome, sir. May I request the Honorable President, Shri Pranab Mukherjee, to open the conference by lighting the lamp. I'm sure most of you present here have already interacted with Shri Naveen Raheja, President NAREDCO, whose energy and perseverance can leave even die-hard workaholics breathless. His passion for real estate almost matches his passion for protecting wildlife, and I say this with utmost confidence. The calls I get from him asking how he can partner NDTV in saving the country's wildlife definitely outnumber any I get for real estate-related topics. In fact, I'm left wondering how does he get time to ensure that Raheja Developers bags the Best Developer Award for 2 consecutive years and also manages to write wildlife articles for 6 magazines, do a Doordarshan show, and ensure that his films are aired on National Geographic. May I invite Shri Naveen Raheja, President NAREDCO, to give us the welcome speech.
Shri Pranab Mukherjee ji, Honorable President of India, Shri Ajay Maken ji, Honorable Minister for Housing and Urban Poverty Alleviation, Shri Sunil Mantri, Brigadier R.R. Singh, my real estate friends, and all the top diams of the real estate industry who are present here.